Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, and I hope you're sitting down for this because mind blown with how delicious this recipe turned out. But today, wait for it, we are going to be making, it's going to be so good, chocolate dripped, cherry glazed, cookie crunch, Snickerdoodle donuts. Oh my. Pretty much the ultimate deluxe, delicious, flavor-packed donut you were ever gonna have. It's gonna have chocolate, it's gonna have cherries, it's gonna have crunchy cookies, and it's gonna have flavor-packed Snickerdoodle flavor that we all know and love. So let's go ahead because I'm real excited. I'm on like my fifth cup of coffee. Don't judge me. I'm so excited. You guys we're gonna love these. I love them. I've already made like 3 dozen because they've gone so fast. I know, don't judge me. But let's go ahead, preheat that oven to 350 degrees and grab the recipe down below in the description, along with that KitchenAid Mixer giveaway link. Click that, enter, come back, and let's make some delicious Snickerdoodle donuts. So let's go ahead and get started because I want some more. So our first step is to get all of our dry ingredients nice and whisked together. So in our mixing bowl, we're gonna go ahead and add in our flour, our baking powder, our cinnamon, and our salt. Then we're gonna go ahead and give those all a nice quick little whisk. And once you have your dry ingredients nice and mixed in together, let's go ahead, scoot that over to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and to that, we're gonna go ahead and add in our vegetable shortening. And with our hand mixer on a medium speed, we're gonna go ahead and whip up this shortening until it's light, even lighter because it's already white, but even lighter and nice and fluffy. And once you have that nice fluffy texture, let's go ahead and add to that our sugar. And then back in with our hand mixer and fully incorporate that sugar until it's nice and just blended in with that vegetable shortening. So once that sugar is fully worked into that vegetable shortening, we're gonna go ahead and start by adding in our eggs. So we're gonna add our eggs one at a time, give a mix, egg mix, until all of our eggs are beat into our mixture. So 1 egg, mix it up. Another egg, another mix, another egg, and another mix, another egg, another mix, and our last egg, and our last mix. And once all of your eggs are fully incorporated into your vegetable shortening and your sugar mixture, let's go ahead and slowly add in our vanilla and blend that in on a nice low speed. And once you have that vanilla nice and worked into your batter, we can go ahead and start adding in our flour mixture and our milk. So let's go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of our flour mixture, add a little bit milk, and on a low speed, with your hand mixer, slowly incorporate the flour and the milk into your batter. And then add more of your flour, more of your milk, give it a mix. And while we're still mixing with our hand mixer, we're gonna go ahead and continue to add in our flour and our milk and blend it all together. And just like that, you have your delicious Snickerdoodle donut batter. So we're gonna go ahead, transfer this to a piping bag, grab our donut pans, and we're gonna go ahead and fill each donut well about halfway full. If you want to go 2/3 of the way full for a more fuller donut, you are more than welcome to. And once your donut pans are filled with your delicious Snickerdoodle donut batter, let's go ahead, slide them into the oven and let bake for a good 20 minutes. So our donuts have baked, they've cooled, they have that delicious golden Snickerdoodle look. Now it's time for the best part, and it's loading up with all of our delicious, yummy goodness. Starting off with some delicious chocolate sauce. And we're gonna go ahead and just full on cover each donut and just load it up with just this oozy delicious chocolate sauce. Then we're gonna go ahead and scoop on some delicious glazed cherries. And follow that by sprinkling on some chocolate dipped biscuit cookies, for that nice little crunch. And once you have all of your donuts fully loaded with the chocolate and the cherries and the chocolate dipped biscuit cookies, you will have your perfect, messy, but oh so delicious, just oh so beautiful looking donuts. Pretty much the best donuts you are ever gonna see. Granted, there's like some other donut recipes I've got planned for the rest of the year, but for right now, the best cooking donuts you will ever see. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm sharing recipes with you guys that you like to see, that you want to bake, that you're gonna try, or you've tried already because you've seen this and this is like your third, fourth time making these donuts because you're like me and couldn't have enough. And while you're down there below giving that thumbs up, be sure to click that subscribe button. This way you don't miss out on any brand new recipes. And if you make your own Snickerdoodle donuts, definitely give a tag on Instagram. And while you're down there even more, be sure to click that KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. Really get in on that action because we're coming up close on announcing the first of many winners, and that could be you, so you don't want to miss out on that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and eat these delicious donuts in private because I'm probably gonna eat all 6. So I'm gonna grab my coffee, grab all these donuts, have a good old jolly time, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.